Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and I'm the keeper of our home here at 4D Farms, where we're all about faith, family, home, and farm. Y'all come on in and see what we're all about, because we want our channel to encourage you and inspire you on your journey. If you see something that you like, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button. That helps our channel grow and reach more people. If you want to subscribe, and if you think other people can benefit from our videos, please share them. Y'all, we hope to see you in each and every video, and most of all, thanks for watching. Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. If you know anything about me, you know that I like natural remedies, apothecary, things like that, but I also like using essential oils. And sometimes you can add some essential oils to your natural remedy regimen, so to help with some ailments and things like that. Today I have already got to do one of these, and I just wanted to show y'all how to quickly make you a roller bottle. Not only can you diffuse essential oils as far as like inhalation, but you can use essential oils topically, okay? And use them topically means, like, you know, on your skin somewhere, pressure points, forehead, behind the neck, you know, behind the ears, throat, okay, for things like that, bottoms of your feet. You can even use a little bit of lavender essential oil on the bottom of colicky babies, teething babies, things like that, on the bottom of their feet. Don't goop it on there, but just enough, and then rub it in, and it just helps soothe them and calm them, especially teething time. Yes, and you won't have to get the Orajel, stuff like that, teething tablets, things like that. Those work great too, but if you just want something topically and not ingesting, try a roller bottle. I have got to make up a roller bottle right now for nighttime. Menopause, y'all, you will be sleep deprived during menopause. Trust me. Insomnia comes along with menopause. So, to help combat that, I just put two things together at nighttime. You can still diffuse this in a diffuser beside your bed or in your house, something like that. But there are a few essential oils that aggravates dear hubby's sinuses. One of those is peppermint. Y'all, it makes his nose just start running and his eyes will start burning. It kind of aggravates him, as to where me, it has the opposite effect and opens me up. You know, like during the cold and flu season, you know, you can diffuse eucalyptus and peppermint and things like that to open up your sinuses and things. But sometimes when you're not able to diffuse them, let's make a roller bottle. I got these off of Amazon, y'all. It came in a box, and everything that I'm fixing to show you, mostly my roller bottles, everything that I'm fixing to show you came in a little box, and I believe it's on my natural remedies. Oh, y'all, I would have to look and see. Something where you're going to see essential oils, amber glass bottles, things like this, roller bottles. I will try to figure it out, y'all, and find it and make sure I put somewhere in here what the list is called. But all these things are going to be in my Amazon store. Anytime you use an essential oil topically, you don't want to just douse it on you, okay? Because some people can have allergic reactions to certain things. So just know, don't do this and just put it on your skin, okay? You might have an allergic reaction to one certain thing, okay? You want some kind of carrier oil along with your essential oil. For nighttime, I've got lavender and chamomile and frankincense. Frankincense, y'all, is just like one of those #1 essential oils that's for everything. A general purpose, well-being, everything from head to toe. Essential oil gets you some pure quality frankincense. But it is also a relaxing but it also has properties, okay? It's in the Bible, has medicinal properties as well, okay? Y'all need to start looking some of this stuff up. Don't just depend on me. Y'all do your homework. But lavender and chamomile. So, anytime you're using essential oils, let's get back to my point, you're going to need a carrier oil. You can use coconut oil. You can use mineral oil. You can use, I use the jojoba oil, okay? You can use olive oil if that's all you've got on hand. Just know, you know, it's going to have a different smell. But I normally just get this is actually cocoa butter formula with vitamin E. Vitamin E oil, that's the other one I was trying to think of. Vitamin E oil, but it's also got a little bit of cocoa butter in it, shea butter. You can use jojoba oil, whatever, okay? So I'm going to get my things ready, and I'm just going to demonstrate real quick how to use how to fill you up a roller bottle. Y'all, I have one like for pain management. Sorry. I must be a child. I can't get into it. That's what my granddaughter says anyway. She's like, it knows I'm a child. It won't let me in it. I didn't tell her any different. Keep them safe, y'all. I have one like for pain management. Like if I've got a joint or something that's just really bothering me or hurting or a headache, a tension headache. Y'all, I use 5 essential oils, okay? That is great for that. I will use peppermint because it's like an energizing. Peppermint, spearmint, any kind of mint is an energizing essential oil. And then some kind of citrus, whether it be orange or lemongrass or tangerine or grapefruit, a citrus. And then I will use eucalyptus. Okay, eucalyptus is very, very energizing and just kind of like wakes up the muscles a little bit. And then I believe frankincense is in it. Y'all catch my video on using all the benefits of essential oils. I give y'all some of my main ones that I use. And then there's one that I will use like for when we're traveling and I need my senses alert, focus, concentration. If I get a headache or something, that's like the peppermint for energizing. Rosemary, which is excellent for alertness, focus. It's also excellent for memory. Let's see. And then a citrus, one of those. Okay, just it revives the senses and keeps you awake and alert. Okay, y'all check out my video, Benefits of Essential Oils. I'll give you a list of essential oils, what they can be used for, what they're good for. I promise you, you won't be sorry. Now, let me get this open. The roller bottle. Okay, I'm going to tilt y'all down here and I'm going to show y'all how we're going to fill this, okay? Try to get y'all as close as I can without my phone falling over. Okay. In the box with the roller bottles, you're going to get one of these. You're going to pop the little roller bottle off, get up under the lip of the little, and just lift it. Pop it off. Just like that. It also comes with a little funnel to go down in your roller bottle. Okay? Always, 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 always put your essential oils in there first. So I'm going to do 10. Oh, this is going to be so slow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on now. Oh, get that last little droplet off. Okay? So there is the lavender and chamomile. And I'm going to do about 5 drops of frankincense because frankincense is pretty strong. Oh, that didn't take long. Okay, now you want to put your carrier oil in and just fill it up to the top like a jar when you're filling up a canning jar. just up to where the neck goes, okay? Don't go past the ridges because you still have to get your lid back on. Ever so carefully. Stop about right there. Take your funnel out. Get all that good stuff out. Pop this back on. Just like that. Shake it up. And you have your own roller bottle for nighttime. I will put this on my wrists. Oh, y'all, it smells good. But I better not start getting too relaxed right now. Okay? And I have an N on it for nighttime. It shows me. Now, it comes with labels, but I just know N is for nighttime. Okay? P is for pain. T is for traveling. Okay? There is your roller bottle. Shake it up, give it a good shake, and then at nighttime, I will put it on my temples. I will put a little bit on my wrist, and then I will put some on the bottoms of my feet, like in the instep, you know, the curve, or the curve that goes this way. Anyway, where that tendon is. Y'all, if you know anything about Japanese acupressure, all that good stuff, all your pressure points and stuff, you'll know sometimes too where to put these essential oils, okay? And then let's see, if I'm using the one for traveling, I'll put on my temples, I'll put behind my ears, on my neck, to where that way it's near my brain and it keeps me alert and awake and focused. Like for the pain, of course, on the joint that's gonna hurt, okay, or that's hurting at the moment. But this is how you can make some roller bottles, okay? And I will put in here somewhere in the video where this is on my Amazon essentials list in our Amazon store where you can get these. I have my diffuser on there. On that list that I use. I have like a lot of my amber bottles and stuff where I make tinctures and things like that. I have, now if you want to know the book that I use where I get all my information from, it is on my books and DVDs essentials list, and it's about essential oils, okay? So y'all do your homework, look these things up. And just, you can start making your own roller bottles if you're not able to diffuse essential oils. So y'all do your homework. Find a regimen that is good for you, for your ailments, what you need it for, what you want to try to use it for, the pressure points that it goes good for. And check out that video where I give you some good ideas. I've got some ideas on hormones. There is some good essential oils for hormones. And frankincense is also one of those too. So is lavender. So I can go to nighty-night. Okay? So I hope y'all have enjoyed this and you will start making you some roller bottles and start using them topically. And I will see y'all in the next video.